Alright, so telly's connected. BBC is here. There's a big switch. This has been off for 43 years, maybe. It's from 1983. It's like literally the coming out of the box where it goes into the polystyrene. It's like been in there for a long time. This is so not going to work, is it? Let's just do it. Well, the machine made the right noises. Caps lock's working. It's not tuned in. Let's go again. A ton of smoke and a big bang from the back. Okay, this baby ain't working yet. Gosh. Right, so after our little temporary smoking session the other day, I'm going to replace the power supply in this temporarily with this thing. It's called a Pico RC. It's literally USB. Some cables in the box. It's got like 5 of them that go into the main board. And I'm going to keep the old power supply, because I want to keep the value of this machine. It's absolutely pristine. 40 odd years old. I'm not going to start drilling holes in anything, so let's see how we get on. So yeah, okay, top's off. Dirty power supply is out, and my god, it stinks. There's a good old scorch mark in there. So this is where we're going to be installing the new power supply. And so we're in with that, quite a simple one screw install. These are the terminals for the cables. So when I took the old power supply out, I literally just swapped the red for red, black for black, so I didn't cock anything up. So there's a little minus, the blue one's minus 5 volts, which kind of goes on there. Hard to believe that it replaces that, but it doesn't really so much replace it. What I mean by that is that this is literally 5 volts from USB. So the 5 volts goes into the board. Lovely and clean the board is. So whereas that was transforming mains voltage into 5 volts. So I'm going to keep that because of the age of the machine, and we're going to get some cables in here. I'll take a quick photo afterwards, then we'll fire it up. Okay, so we've got it plugged into the wall, and the charger's going into the back. It's just a standard USB, like I've said. Let's drift over here. There we go. So we've got power to the beep, power LEDs on. Put it back together. Let's plug it into a monitor upstairs and let's see if it really comes up with the goods. Okay, trusty old cheap LCD. It's alive. It's alive. Ain't it beautiful? That was such an easy fix. Didn't cost a fortune either.